Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today you're going to learn how to delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp. So I'm going here into my WhatsApp and now go into the three dots on top of my screen and into settings. Now in privacy, at the bottom you must scroll down, you have the blocked contacts. So for instance, I have this contact. Obviously, if I hold this and I unblock this contact, I'm not going to be able to delete this contact, just to unblock this contact. So if you don't want to have this contact anymore into your WhatsApp, you must to remember the number, the mobile number, go to your phone app into your mobile, and then find that number to delete it completely from your contacts, okay? Once you have done that, this contact is not gonna have any name indeed, and that's it. You don't have to unblock it, obviously, because you want to maintain this contact blocked, but at least you are not gonna be able to have this contact in your phone. And that's how you can delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp.